Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Remedial Tutorial Academy. Here we have another question of finding the multiplicative inverse of the complex number root 5 plus 3i. And I already mentioned the two methods to find the multiplicative inverse of complex number, directly by the formula or by very simply by manually, So you can do any one, all right? I'm just finding manually, all right, without using the formula. Let me suppose this is complex number z, which is root 5 plus 3i. So multiplicative inverse of this complex number is 1 over z, which is 1 over, again, root 5 plus 3i. And we'll multiply and divide by the conjugate of this, all right? So conjugate of this is just opposite of that dot 3i, okay? So root 5 minus 3i. And further, you're going to get minus 5 root 5 minus 3i divided. Now it's a plus b, a minus b. So it's a squared plus, minus 3i squared. So it's going to be 5 minus 3i divided by 5 minus 3, and I squared is having minus 1 value, so it's 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 3. So it's 5 divided by 5 plus 3, that is 8, and 3 minus I divided by 8. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number z, which is equals to 5 plus 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below what other topics you'd like for me to review. I upload new videos every day. Don't forget to subscribe and share for your friends and classmates. See you next time.